Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today I am discussing about thermodynamic and kinetic control product of alkadine react with the hal, uh, HBr. For example, this 1,3-butadiene CH2CH double bond CH2 react with the HBr. This will be converted into CH2, this hydrogen added here, CHBr, CH double bond CH2 plus CH2H, CH double bond CH, CH2Br. So this hydrogen and bromine added to first and second, that's why it is 1,2 product. This hydrogen and bromine added to 1 and 4th position, that's why it is 1,4 product. Actually, in these two, one is at low temperature, that is minus 80 degrees Celsius. This will be at 45 degrees Celsius. This one 4 product at 45 degrees Celsius, 1,2 product at minus 80 degree Celsius. So at higher temperature generally 1,4 product, and at lower temperature generally 1,2 product. So in these two product, which is more stable? Generally 1,4 product is more stable, not always. Generalized, it is more stable 1,4 product, and 1,2 product is less stable. Sometime this 1,2 product is converted into 1,4 product. It depends upon the temperature. That's why 1,2 product is converted into 1,4 product. This is at low temperature. For it is minus 80 degree. This is 45 degree. So temperature increases, then it will be converted into 1,4 product. Temperature decreases, then it will be converted into 1,2 products. What is the exact mechanism of this 1,2 and 1,4 product? This is CH2 double bond CH. Now I am discussing about the mechanism. CH double bond CH2 react with the HBr. Generally this HBr, this bond will be take the H plus, and this will be converted into Br minus. Actually this bond move here, this negative charge takes the this H plus, but in general we will represent like this only. H will added to this first carbon, then we will get here CH2, here hydrogen is added, and this will be CH double bond CH2. So CH single bond, double bond, and here CH2. So where the positive charge is generated here at second position. So what are the resonance structure of this? We can write here CH2H, CH. This bond will be moved here, then it will be get double bond CH, CH2. This is positive charge. So here we are getting two carbocation. In these two carbocations, which is stable carbocation? If you observe, this carbocation is secondary carbocation, this carbocation is primary carbocation. So here this is vinyl group. Here this carbon is sp2 hybridization. This is CH3. This is sp3 hybridization. This carbocation is bonded with this group or total allylic, not allylic, this is normal, this double bonded. Then it is sp2 carbon. sp2 carbon is more electronegative. Here also more electronegative, but this is less electronegative atom or this group. Then here two groups are present. Here one group is present. This electron withdrawing group. Generally carbocation stabilized with the donor group. Here one withdrawing group is there, one donor group is there. Compare with this carbocation. This is stable. So this is stable carbocation. This is less stable carbocation. Then in the second step, Br minus will be added. This Br minus added to this carbocation. Here also this Br minus added to this carbocation. This negatively charged. Then what will be the product here? CH2, H, CH, CH double bond, CH2. Meaning here will be the bromine added. That's what is 1,2 products. Here CH2, H, CH double bond, CH, CH2, Br. This is 1,4. This is 1,2 products. So now which is more stable products? If you observe, this alkene has alpha carbon. At this alpha carbon, alpha hydrogens are 1. This alkene having 2 alpha carbons. At this 2 alpha carbon, 2 and here 2 plus 2, here 4 alpha hydrogens are present. So 4 alpha not 4, actually this one also. Okay, then total 3 plus 2, total 5 alpha hydrogen. That's why more number of alpha hydrogen according to hyperconjugation, that is more stable, because we will get the more resonance structure according to that hyperconjugation structure. This is a more stable product, this is a less stable product. So at lower temperature, and this is formed based on the rate, because the carbocation is more stable here. So carbocation stability increases, rate of reaction also increases. So according to rate, this is kinetic control product. This according to formed product which is more stable, this is thermodynamically controlled product. Generally 1,4 is thermodynamically controlled, 1,2 is kinetically controlled products. So what is this energy profile diagram for this? According to this, energy profile diagram, free energy profile diagram, if you draw a delta G and reaction progress. So this one, CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH2. This is 1,3-butadiene plus HBr. At this position, for example, certain energy is there. Then it will be go in a transition state. That is the first one. Next, it form the carbocation. So here transition state, TS is transition state. This transition state for both product will be same. This will be same for both 1,2 and 1,4 products. It will be same transition state. So this is a carbocation formation step. Here one is primary carbocation form, another is secondary carbocation form. Secondary carbocation form, that's why rate of reaction will be, this is fast. Another one is primary carbocation form, that is less stable, that's why energy somewhat higher. Then it will go somewhat higher energy state and come to down. This is like this. This is 1,4 product. This will be 1,2 product respective diagram. But here observe, this is 1,2 kinetically controlled products. This is thermodynamically controlled product. Why it is thermodynamically controlled? Why it is kinetic control? Here if you observe, is less stable, that's why energy is more. Here it is energy is less. Generally less, lower the energy, that is more stable. Higher energy, that is a less stable. That's why in graph also you have to carefully observe. This will be primary carbocation less stable, somewhat higher energy. Secondary carbocation, this is more stable, that's why in lower energy, but in product it should up, it should be down. This is energy profile diagram for the thermodynamically controlled and kinetically controlled products. So generally kinetic control products will convert into thermodynamically controlled product. This is temperature increases, then it will be converted to thermodynamically controlled product. If temperature decreases, then it will be converted into kinetically controlled product. Generally it is, now we discuss, this is minus 80 degrees Celsius for 1,3-butadiene. This is 45 degrees Celsius for thermodynamically controlled product. If minus 80 converted to 45, then it will be thermodynamically controlled. 45 will convert to minus 80 degrees Celsius, then it will be kinetically controlled product. These are interconvertible, it depends upon the temperature. So kinetically controlled product is depends on the rate, how fast it will be formed. It depends on the rate. So for example, A is one reactant considered, then it will be give it B and C product consider. For example, these two are irreversible because it is depends on the rate, formed carbocation immediately converted into the product, irreversible both. Keep in mind it depends upon the stable carbocation, and that is called rate dependence product, kinetically controlled product. Next one is thermodynamically controlled product. It depends on stability of products. This is also called equilibrium controlled product. Because the reactant and products are in equilibrium. That's why we can consider same like this. Example, A will convert into B, or A will convert into C. Here products are equilibrium with the reactant. Otherwise it can be any one of the product may be in equilibrium, another may be like this also, but anyone should be in equilibrium. That is more stable product. It depends upon the stability of product, it depends upon the rate of formation of product. Kinetically controlled mean rate, thermodynamic control mean it formed product should be stable. One example already discussed, so one more example if you want, that is 1,3-pentadiene, CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH, CH2, 1 2 3 4, this is a 5, CH3. So what are the position here? 1 2 3 4, this is the fifth one. So if you take here HBr, then which will be at minus 78 degrees Celsius. Here also this, in this 1,3-butadiene product react with the HBr, this will be nearly 15% form. This thermodynamically controlled, remaining 85% is formed. That's why thermodynamically controlled product is major, kinetically controlled product is minor. If you take here at in question given, for example in IIT JEE NEET, this question may be given at minus 78 degrees Celsius, then which is the major product, KCP or TCP, or sometimes what is the exact product also they may ask. Then what is the product form here? Minus 78 degrees Celsius means it is lower temperature, then we are expecting this is kinetically controlled is major product. For example, it may be considered 78%, remaining 22% will be this one. So why it is major product, that also we will discuss here. Then CH2 double already reactant is there, and I will directly write here HBr. Then it is H plus and Br minus. So when H plus added to this one, if it is negatively charged, this negative and this positive charge form bond, then CH2H, CH, this is positively charged, and CH double bond CH, CH3. If you take here, which carbocation is secondary carbocation, here one sp2 carbon, here sp3 carbon, so it is stable carbocation, secondary carbocation. If it is takes the resonance, then what will get the product? CH, it means this bond will be moved here. Then we will get here CH double bond CH. Next, here will be the double bond CH. Next, this CH will be positive charge and this will be the CH3. So both are having the same stability, because if you observe this one or this one, it having the same stability. If having the same stability, then temperature is given here. So according to temperature, which should be the major product, because it is also secondary carbon, this is also secondary carbon. Here one methyl group is there, and one sp2 carbon vinyl type group also is there. Not a vinyl type, exactly, it is double bonded. That's why electron withdrawing nature is there. This side here donating is there. So it is stabilizing like this. Here also electron withdrawing is there here, and one is donating is there. So both are having the same stability. Both are secondary carbocation. So now we will get the, with respect to lower temperature, then what will be the product here? CH2H and CH. This Br minus is near to this carbocation, and if you observe here, this is a H is added, and here Br minus, if it is there, this away to this carbocation. This is called proximity effect. Proximity effect. So according to this proximity effect, Br minus is away to this carbocation, less stabilized this carbocation. Br minus is near to this carbocation. This is more stabilized. That's why we will get at minus 78 degrees Celsius. 1, 2 is major product. Then here Br is added, and here CH double bond CH CH3 at lower temperature. If you take this same, what is the reactant name here? 1,3 pentadiene. In 1,3 pentadiene at lower temperature is 1, 2 is major product. Okay, so if you take the same one more example, so what will be the major product? Now I am taking the same 1,3 pentadiene but small change. CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH, CH3, like this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 5. 1, 3. Fourth position methyl group is here 1, second position. Then according to this, actually 2 position only, because substance should get the least one. But here second position we are getting the double bond. Here first position only we are getting the double bond. That's why double bond gets the least priority. That's why it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 methyl 1, 3 pentadiene. This is react with, for example, HBr HCl consider. Then what will be the major product? Kinetically controlled also and thermodynamically controlled product. So in this one, if 1, 2 position is there, then 1, 2 meaning here hydrogen add, here bromine add. Then we will get here CH2. I am not writing mechanism now, already mechanism completed. You have to understand this same respective. And this will be the CHBr, CH double bond. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this hydrogen not there here. Then here CH3. This is CH3. Then according to this double bond, how many alpha hydrogen? Total 3, 3, and here 1. Total alpha hydrogens are 7. 7 alpha hydrogen. If you take kinetically thermodynamically controlled product, CH2, H, CH, double bond will be get here, this will be comes to here, and CH, CH3, CH3, right? This will be comes to here, this will be comes to here, then here only bromine. Okay, so this is a double bonded carbon. Then here alpha hydrogens are 3. Here alpha carbon, this is next beta. On this hydrogens are there. That's why alpha hydrogens are how many here? Only 3. Then which is the more stable product here? 1, 2 only the major product than the 1,4 addition. That's why it is also known as KCP and TCP, because TCP meaning what is the formed alkene should be more stable. Here alpha hydrogens are 7. That's why it is thermodynamically controlled product also. That's why I already told you that 1,4 is not always major product. 1, 2 also sometimes it is major. That's why it is one of the good example to understand 1, 4 or 1, 2 is major product. It is both kinetically controlled as well as thermodynamically controlled product. Because in competitive exam sometimes you may ask the question, this is the compound formed from this, then this one is kinetically controlled product, thermodynamically controlled, both are none. Like this they may ask the question. That's why in this case it is both kinetically controlled as well as thermodynamically controlled product. If you take the one more example, that is 2,4-hexadiene. 2,4-hexadiene means CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CH, 1, 2, 3. This is a 4 double bond, CH, this is fifth one, and this is CH3. Here, this is sixth one. What is the name of this? 2,4-hexadiene. This is hexadiene for, and if you take HCl now, then what will be the major product? According to this, we will write both products 1, 2 and 1, 4. So now I am writing 1, 2 products. It means now don't tell this is 2, 3 product. We are assigning number to the only double bonded carbon. According to IUPAC numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So but here I am writing here 1, 2 product means somebody will see here 2 and 3 number is there. That is not here. I am taking the IUPAC numbering. Only I am taking the double bonded position. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, that's what it is. 1, 2 addition product. Then CH3, then if you add here H, then it will be get the carbocation. Then here CH, this will be the CH, Br, and this is CH, double bond, CH, CH3. This is 1, 2 product. If you take here 1, 4 product, CH3, CH, H, CH, then this double bond comes to here, then we will get double bond CH, CH, Br and CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4 position is there. This is 1, 4 product. Now you can take here this is alkene. You can take here alkene. How many alpha hydrogens are present? Alpha hydrogens are here 3, and here alpha hydrogens are 1. Then total alpha hydrogen 1 and 3. Then we can write here alpha hydrogen equal to 4. Here alpha hydrogen 2, because this hydrogen also we consider. So this alpha hydrogen, alpha carbon hydrogens are alpha hydrogen. Here 2 alpha hydrogen, here 1. Then what we get the product? Total 3 alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen is equal to 3. In this case, which will be the major product? I think both should get the same number of alpha hydrogen. Both should get the same number of alpha hydrogen. Here 3, here 1, that is a 4, and here 1 and 2. Stability is having same or different, just check. uh, CH double bond CH3 and here Br, alpha hydrogen CH2. So 3. So this is only the more stable. 1 2 is the more stable product. Then like this you can take any other example is the homework for you. Double bond, double bond. Then what will be the major product of this? Second one, same HBr. Third one, CH3. You can take HCl also, HBr also. Then what will be the major products? Okay. So this is about the best example what we will take in 1 2 and 1 4 addition of HBr or HCl or HX. Kinetically controlled product means it depends on the carbocation stability and rate form, how fast it react to form the product, and it is depends on the rate. Thermodynamically controlled product is it depends on the formed product should be the stable. So formed product should be stable. You can find out the number of alpha hydrogen. In that, more number of alpha hydrogen is determined, that is a more stable. That is kinetically, if it is kinetically controlled and thermodynamically controlled product also sometime. In this case, it is alpha hydrogen is 4. In this case, alpha hydrogen is 3. So sometime kinetically controlled product may also thermodynamically controlled product. So take care about this example and what product will be get. This 1 2 product major or 1 4 product is major. Thank you.